Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in this part we're going to combine the luminance data with our RGB data. So we can go ahead and minimize our luminance clone. We can get rid of the screen transfer function. And let's open up our LRGB combination. And we will open up our RGB. And let's see, we've got channel weights is fine. Transfer functions is fine. We're not going to do any chrominance noise reduction. We're going to select our luminance clone image that we were working on. And we're just going to drag and drop. Let's see what we end up with. Alright, that has completed. So if we undo, it's kind of muted, falls off a little bit. If we redo, center pops a lot more. And these little variances over here where we had the amp glow dim a bit, that's excellent. Looks a lot more natural. And our stars brightened up a tiny bit, especially the smaller ones. If I scroll in here and I undo, redo, yep, things just pop a little bit more. Scroll over here. Whoop. Scroll over here. Let's take a look over this area. A lot of our fainter stars pop in. Excellent. I like that. We got a lot going on. We'll shrink a lot of these stars to make the nebula a little bit more prominent, but I like where that's at right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save my progress. I'm going to save my project. Yes. And because we're at a good point now, we're just going to be enhancing and tweaking this image to produce that final dynamic image that we're looking for. So with that, we're going to conclude this part. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope you found it informative. As always, clear skies and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.